come, let us spill this already spilled juice. Now, guys, I came across this, right? And what I came across on Twitter, it seems like there is a speculation, right? We all know that Khwezi and Lehasa are fighting over custody of the child, and they are getting a divorce. Remember, they are customarily married, meaning Uguti, they are married in community of property, and Lehasa does not want to give up his assets because he is more worth than Khwezi. Now, there's a statement where Ujabulani McDonald's wrote ukuthi Khwezi and Lehasa continue to fight, but someone is going to order a hit on Lehasa. The question is, will that hit be successful or will the hit not be successful? And it also says one of the characters is going to die in a car accident while we get okay. That's another story. But who is going to die in a car accident? Will it be Khwezi before he orders Lehasa's hit? Please do like, share, and subscribe.